Liver disease can be devastating. Imagine feeling drained day in and day out, seeing your skin and eyes take on a yellowish hue, or watching your body swell up due to fluid retention. These are just a few of the hardships that come with liver disease. But here's an intriguing thought. What if you could revive this vital organ naturally? Yes, you heard it right. Nature, in its infinite wisdom, has provided us with a plethora of plants that can help repair, protect, and detoxify our liver. These powerful plant remedies have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and are now getting the nod from modern science. So if you or a loved one are battling with liver diseases, such as hepatitis, cirrhosis, or fatty liver, stay tuned. I'm going to share 3 incredible plant-based remedies proven to help repair, protect, and detoxify your liver. Let's embark on this journey to revive your liver and reclaim your health. Our first liver-reviving hero is milk thistle. This prickly powerhouse, known for its vibrant purple flowers, has been a trusted ally in the battle against liver disease for centuries. But what makes milk thistle so special? It's packed with a potent compound called silymarin. This is the secret to milk thistle's liver healing prowess. It's like a 1-2 punch for liver health, helping to regenerate new liver cells and actively removing toxins from the existing ones. It's like a spring clean for your liver, giving it a fresh start and a chance to heal. And it's not just folk medicine. Modern science backs up these benefits. Multiple studies have shown that milk thistle can actually reverse liver damage. It's like a rewind button for your liver. And the good news doesn't stop there. It also shows promise in improving liver function tests. Studies show it can reverse liver damage and improve liver function tests. Next up, one of the hottest superfoods lately, turmeric. This vibrant gem is more than just a kitchen spice. It's a superfood with incredible health benefits, especially for your liver. The secret lies in its golden compound, curcumin. Curcumin is lauded for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Picture this. Your liver is under constant attack from harmful substances, causing inflammation and damage. That's where curcumin steps in. It acts like a shield, protecting your liver from these harmful invaders. But it doesn't stop there. Curcumin also helps your body rebuild healthy liver tissue. Imagine a construction team working tirelessly to repair a damaged building. That's curcumin for your liver. It's not just about preventing further damage, but also about encouraging the growth of healthy tissue. With turmeric in your diet, you're not only preventing liver damage, but also promoting liver health. No wonder it's been revered in ancient Indian medicine. Our final liver ally is green tea. This humble beverage, enjoyed across the globe, packs a powerful punch when it comes to liver health. Green tea is loaded with potent catechins, compounds that are renowned for their health-boosting properties. These catechins are especially effective in neutralizing harmful free radicals and preventing oxidative stress, 2 key factors in liver disease progression. But the benefits of green tea don't stop there. This amazing beverage also aids in improving liver enzyme levels, an important measure of liver function. Some research even suggests that green tea could halt the buildup of fat in the liver, a common cause of fatty liver disease. So, there you have it. With milk thistle regenerating new cells, turmeric fighting inflammation, and green tea halting disease progression, this trio of plant power can revive your liver back to its prime. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the power of these liver allies. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable health information like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. We regularly release videos on various health topics, and you wouldn't want to miss out on any of these health tips and tricks. Your comments and questions are also welcome. We love hearing from our viewers, and your feedback helps us create better content that caters to your needs. Remember, we're all on this journey to better health together. So, share this video with your friends and loved ones who could benefit from it. The more we know, the healthier we can be. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is your wealth. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, stay healthy.